Hello friends, how are you? So welcome to the new videos of Tally. So in the previous video we have seen about the Tally chapters and there is two types of level in Tally training. One is essential level Tally training, sorry, essential level Tally training and another is professional level Tally training. So we were checking the essential level Tally training. So in essential level Tally training, Tally has added some new chapters. Okay. Earlier these chapters were not there. So just click on courses, Tally Essential and click on content. So you can see the content level 1 fundamental of accounting, introduction to Tally, maintain charts of account, recording and maintaining the accounting transaction, goods and service tax, banking. So previously banking was not there, generating financial statement and MIS was there, data security chapter was not there, and company data management chapter was not there. So these are some new chapters they have added. Okay, and coming to the level 2, accounts payable and accounts receivable. So here also purchase and sales order management newly added, tracking the cost of purchases newly added, goods and service tax it was there, profit center and cost center, cost and profit center was not there. So cost and profit center is newly added. Similarly, cost and profit center is newly added, budget and scenario newly added. Okay, generating report newly added, and here TDS was the management of business data. Management of business data was newly added chapter, and moving to the new financial year is newly added chapter. So moving to the new financial year is nothing but the data split. When uh, this year, this accounting year close and new accounting year start from 1st April 2025. So in 1st April 2025, you have to split your data. It is not compulsory to split the data. You can continue the same company, but there are many accountants or business those are hurrying splitting the data. You can split your data anytime. It is not mandatory to split the data on 1st April 2025. Why? Because in Tally you have the Alt F2 button, change period. Any data, any report you want for the particular month, easily you can change the period and you can see it. You can export it. But if you want to split, you can split also. If you want to create new company and you want to export your ledgers and stock items without the balance, you can do also, and you can change the accounting period also. Get to Tally, change the period. That's simple. That is the about moving to new financial year. We will come to later on. Okay. So whatever the left out chapters is there, newly added chapter is there. We have already recorded in the our content. So there is two training level, Tally official training level. One is your Tally essential. So in Tally essential, basically these features were there: introduction and fundamental of accounting, introduction to Tally, maintaining chart of account, So Tally another is Tally Professional. So in Tally Professional, same same course, but they have added the new topics like receivables and payables for separate purchase, purchase order and sales order management, tracking, profit center. So I have already noted down the left out chapters or newly added chapters. And there is specialized cost, international course, accounting, old modules. So this is not applicable for you right now. Tally, tally training modules. So in tally training modules, essential and professional. So we have segregated it module wise, like in accounting, inventory, taxation, banking, data, licensing, performance, technologies. So this we have divided it. So now we are going to look only for the accounting. So in accounting, introduction to accounting and finance, we have already learned in the previous chapter. Introduction to Tally RP is done, company creation is done, chart of account is done, golden rule is done, and journal entry. We have already learned the journal entry and accounting vouchers. We have already learned accounting vouchers, contra, payment, receipt, journal, sales, purchase, etc. Okay, so next is bill wise detail. So today we will learn the bill wise detail. So this is one of the accounting chapter topic called bill wise. Bill wise detail. What is bill wise detail? We will go. So bill wise detail. This is the theory. We will see the theory and we will see the practical. Bill wise detail is also known as outstanding management. Okay, bill wise detail is also known as outstanding management. The bill wise facility is made functional by setting the option enable bill wise detail in F11 feature and maintain balance bill by bill in ledger option. We will open the tally also, so we will see together what is written in the tally. And one more thing, if you have any query related on the topics, please you can comment in the videos. So we will reply to your comments. So I will create a new company for every topic so that it will not mix up with the other doubt, other topic. Tally solution. State is Karnataka, pin code is 560000. Telephone number you can give any number, mobile number you can give. Fax is not required, email ID. Website is not required, enter and save it. So now the company is getting saved. So once the company is saved, automatically it will take you to the company features. Once the company is saved, it is coming to the company features. So we are talking about this feature, enable bill wise entry. Enable bill wise entry. So it comes in F11 features. This is called F11 features. We will enter and save it or click on accept save it. So F11 features, you will go to the company and features. 11 features F11. So in the features, this option is there. Okay. So next we will go to the next line. Bill wise option in F11 and maintain balance bill by value ledger creation. So what is the ledger creation? I am just saving this screen. Create ledger. So create ledgers. If I type any vendor or any customer ledger, sundry debtors. So this is the option maintain bill by bill detail yes or no. Default create period, and this feature it will come when you enable the bill wise entry in F12. Suppose I saved this and now I am going and disabling this company features. ये अगर हम disable कर देंगे, so I am going to ledger alter ICT Bangalore, and you can see this bill wise detail is not coming. Again, if I enable this option, T code F11, maintain bill wise years. So you can see this option is coming now. Maintain balance bill by bill. Okay. So that practically I am showing you by activating the bill wise features, the ledger master sundry debtors and sundry creditors automatically display an additional option called the maintain balance bill by bill. Maintain balance bill by bill. This maintain balance bill by bill. Okay. Maintain balance bill by bill. Yes. An additional option default credit period is displayed. Additional option default credit period. This is the default credit period option display. Check for credit days during the entry. We can make it yes also. Additional option default. Bill wise is to maintain the detail of all the receivables and payables party wise and keep track of the pending bills and overdue bill. Helps in age analysis report. Helps helps in age analysis. Sorry, analysis. Age analysis. Bill wise detail help us to maintain our sundry creditor and sundry debtor bill systematically, and we can find out outstanding amount due date of each bill. Bill wage is used to allocate the payment and receipt to the invoice, correct bill, correct invoice or correct invoice or bill against to maintain the accurate account of outstanding. Without the bill wise tracking, so what is the advantage of bill wise? Advantage of bill wise feature. Advantage of bill wise feature. These are the advantage of bill wise feature. This is the advantage of bill wise. Number one advantage, keep the tracking of the bill, helps in maintaining the outstanding balance accurately, systematically and chronologically. Anytime we can find the outstanding payables or payables, account receivable and accounts payable balance bill wise. Avoid the duplicate entry and help us to track the bill payment date. So these are the advantage, objectives or important of the bill wise detail. Depending on the business owner, reduce as user can refer the outstanding statement and know if he is liable to pay or receive. In Tally, Billwise is configured in party masters while passing the transaction. You can allocate the bill references. So this it will come later on. Next is what you should know about the Billwise. You want to maintain Billwise for non-trading account. Non-trading means like loan and liabilities, interest, etc. Okay. So if you want to maintain the bill-wise detail for non-trading accounts, example loan and liabilities, set this option to yes. And bill-wise detail for non-trading account are useful in those cases where we need to track either the installment to be paid or loan amount to be received over the certain period of time. So we will see this later on uh, while learning interest calculation in Tally. So meaning maintaining maintaining bill-wise detail, credit days, due date, making the payment partially against outstanding bill, payment of lump sum amount, advance payment, etc. Okay, so next question is how to enable the bill-wise detail in Tally Prime. How to enable the bill-wise detail in Tally Prime. How do you record bill-wise in voucher entry? So to enable, what we have to do? Enable bill-wise detail. You have to go to the Get of Tally screen, click on Company, click on Feature, and second option is bill-wise detail. So here you can enable the bill-wise detail. And next question is how to record the bill-wise detail in voucher entry. So that we will see. So while recording the voucher entry, while creating the debtor creditor party, this is debtor, DEBTOR, debtors, and this means creditors, CREDITORS, creditors party, maintain bill by balance. You have to create on yes. I will show you while creating here. This is mean here while creating you have to keep it yes. While recording the purchase and sales entry, F12 use default for bill allocation should be no. While recording the purchase and sales entry, voucher, sale, F8, I will click on F8 and here F12 button and in F12 button use default for bill allocation. This option should be no. Bill-wise detail screen type of reference appears. So we will see in practically, don't worry. Advanced type of reference, it will come advanced. So advance means when we make the receipt or payment as advance against the future sale or purchase, select the advance reference. Okay, advance reference. Against reference, when the payment is received or payment made against any existing bill or against earlier advance, select the against reference for which the bill current entry should be adjusted. The use of advance. Next is new reference. If we are making the purchase and sale to the party for the first time, select new reference on account. When the party is making lump sum amount, a huge amount, or not aware whether it has to be treated as new reference or against reference. In this scenario, select on account so that the amount can be classified later on. Creating the references is like writing down the notebook for use in future. Reference number on your behalf, the due payment on receipt. To distinguish between references, you need to give the unique reference number. Sometimes what happens, users, accountants, owners, they will make the purchase bills and sale bills with the same reference number. Sometimes they will give the reference number, two times they will give one, two times they will give two, same reference number. They don't give the unique reference number. So if you don't give the unique reference number, when you go to the payment and receipt, you will not able to find those bill which unique number is not there. So this is very important point. Another important point, another important note, by default the tally will make the type of reference as on account only. So by default, Tally will be configured bill-wise detail as on account only. While recording the sale purchase, if the bill-wise detail screen is not appearing in F12, use the deal use default for bill allocation is yes. If you are not getting the bill-wise detail, so this option will be yes. If you make it this option yes, you will not get the bill-wise detail. So make sure it is always no. While creating the debtors and creditors account, maintain bill by bill balance if it is no. Suppose while creating the ledger account, see this is the ledger account. So if it is yeah, no, then also you will not get the bill wise detail. So there is two reason, note it down. There is two reason. One, in the customer or vendor ledger account, bill wise disabled, or second is while passing the sale or purchase of tool configuration meant use default for bill allocation is yes. So these two things. How to view the bill wise report? How to view the bill wise report? We will see it when we pass the entries. So to view the bill wise detail, I will just tell you. Get your tally display accounts book ledger. Select the debit credit ledger name. Select debit credit ledger name. DEBTORS debtors. Creditors creditors. Ledger name. This is ledger name for your easy understanding. I am doing this. LEDGER ledger name. Enter Alt B to view the bill wise detail. Go to the tally, display more about, accounts book, ledger name, and here bill wise F5 bill wise button is there. So currently there is no transaction, so the bill wise is not showing. Okay. Next question is bill wise detail is done now. So next question is Alt B. So now the shortcut button is changed. Instead of Alt B, it is F5 button. You can press F5 button. This report displays the outstanding receivables or payable for particular ledger during the specified period. How to print the reminder letter? So you can print the reminder letter by enabling the option print reminder letter in the print, export, report or accordingly yes. Bill settlement. Bill settlement option is helps to settle the bill all bills from the ledger outstanding report at once so that voucher type will be pre-filled with the recipient payment based on the outstanding final amount for the selected bill. Once the bill are settled, the ledger outstanding report will be updated accordingly. Multiple bill of the same party can be selected by pressing the space bar and can selected by pressing the Alt B. How to print the party confirmation? So to print the display accounts book ledger, select the particular ledger, Alt P, backspace. So already I opened Alt P, backspace, type of account. Here you can take the confirmation of account. We have not passed the entry, so you will not be able to see it. Okay, so this is the confirmation of that particular ledger. We will come to know later. We will see practical example how to print the party confirmation, how to print the outstanding reminder letter for the party, display statement of account outstanding, display statement of account outstanding, ledger, ITC ledger, select party, Alt P backspace, enable Alt P current configure reminder letter, reminder letter 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, exit. So when you see the preview reminder letter, it will become reminder letter. Currently there is no Alt P backspace reminder letter and check. There is no transaction, so it is not coming. Okay, next exercise on bill wise detail. Exercise with bill wise detail. So I will do one exercise and the second exercise and third exercise you have to do. Okay. I will do only the first exercise, second and third exercise you have to do. Pass the below entry in Tally by using proper bill-wise references and then write the outstanding balances for each party ledger. So you can see here on 1st July, it should be on 1st of 4 April, 1st of 4 every month, two transactions, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, okay, 6, next, here, first, second, because Tally will not accept the date, that is the problem in education mode, okay, it is first date, second, and it is also first, second, we will start the transaction. Our company name will be same. We will be creating the ledgers here. Purchase goods worth rupees 15,000 from ABC and company. From ABC and company we purchase the goods. So this is our vendor and supplier ABC. We will go to the tally. I will create one ledger and rest of the ledger I will create while passing the transactions. Ledger control B ABC and company. It is the vendor VEN DOR vendor or SUPPIER supplier account. This is vendor and supplier. We have to select under creditor, sundry creditor, bill by bill detail yes, enter and save it. Purchase the goods worth rupees. In purchase account, I will create one purchase account. PUOS purchase account. Purchase account under purchase. Select. So now I will create the two ledger. Now I am going to post the purchase entry. So I am going to purchase entry, and you can see there is no inventory. So we will be doing it in accounting invoice mode. So currently I am disabling the inventory. If you want to see the inventory, you can see our previous video. In my previous video, chapter name, I think 1 minute I will show you. Tally Essential, Tally Education Official, Tally Basic. In this video, chart of account and recording transaction with inventory. Here, recording and maintaining the accounting transactions. In this video, I have covered with inventory and without inventory transactions. So you can watch these videos also. Okay. So now come to the tally supplier invoice number date. Which date it is? First 4/24. I will change the date April 24. This description party wise. So here I will select purchase and how much is the amount? 15,000, 1, 550, 1, 2, 3. Enter. Suppose there is no GSTN, so reference number is 1. Okay. Invoice is second is second, fourth. Purchase goods worth rupees 15,000 from PQR and Co. PQR and Co. So this is the second bill, 2nd April. PQR and Co. It is not there. PQR and Co. So we will create the PQR and Co party. I will enter this ledger only. Control enter. Copy this PQR. This is the purchase supplier. SUPPIER supplier account. Supplier under sundry creditor will be there. Maintain bill by bill detail is yes. Receipt detail, party detail. Select the purchase account ledger. So it is 25,000. So bill wise detail, you see the bill wise detail is coming here. So this is the bill supplier bill to SUPPIER supplier. So if I enable this, if I disable this option in F12, maintain bill by bill. If I make it no, if I make it yes, then this option will not come. See, this option is not coming bill-wise option is not coming. Actually, the tally it is working ulta here. If we have enabled, then it should work. But while we are disabling, it is working. Ulta configuration is there. But as long as it is working, tally is not taking any risk on this. Okay. So I am disabling this feature. So now you will see this screen is coming. Okay. This screen is coming. If you enable, this screen will not come. So next is sold goods worth rupees 30,000 to XYZ. Sold good XYZ. Sold goods to XYZ. So I will click on sales voucher. I will then change the date. So it is May, May 24, 1st May 24. I change the date. I change the date. Skip the date field. Use default. So list provide use bill. Skip the date. It is yes. I make it now so you can see the date also. Save bill. So XYZ. So I will just create this party here. Control B. So this is the customer account to debit sundry data. Bill wise is yes. Here bill wise detail is yes. It should be yes. Then only you can select it. Here I need to create sales account. Yes, sales SACOUNT account under sales. Accept the screen 3123 30,000. Here we are not maintaining the accounts. So we are making the purchase and sales. We have to take the sale bill. New reference sale for sales. New reference 1. Then pay 10,000 to ABC and Co. Pay 10,000 to ABC and Co. Pay 10,000 to ABC and Co. So we will go to the payment voucher. So click on payment F5. Select the cancel bank. I don't have the bank ledger created here. So I will create one bank ledger. Kotak BANK bank under bank account, and I will give opening balance. Okay, it is not required. It will come in negative. That's it. 10,000 rupees. So whom I am making payment and when I am making payment? 2nd April I am making payment. 2nd May I am making payment. Payment to vendor or supplier. ABC and Co. ABC and Co. 50,000 is there. 10,000 I am making the payment. So I will select here against reference. So you see my 1st April bill is showing 1st April bill is showing bill date, due date, balance 15,000 and final balance 15,000. So I will select it. Remaining amount it is showing now 5,000 showing under outstanding. So I am just going to enter and accept this screen. ABC and Co. So next you have to record this transaction. So you can take the screenshot, pause the video, take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. And this is your homework. Take the screenshot. This is your homework. Practice. Second and third one is also your homework. You have to do it yourself. Please take a screenshot and you have to tell me the final receivables and payables final amount, total final amounts for receivable and total final amount for payables. So here I will show you in bill-wise detail how to print confirmation and how to print a reminder letter. Bill-wise detail is enabled. How to print confirmation, how to print outstanding. Display accounts book ledger, select the particular ledger. Display report accounts book, ledger book, ABC and vendor. Okay, so I will change the date, one purchase, one payment, style of record, Alt P, current, go to the configure, and here types of report type, it is showing the ledger account. Report type, style report, name we change report TYPE, types, report type is currently it is showing ledger account. So here you select confirmation of account, confirmation of account, confirmation of account. Now press OK and click on preview and zoom it, Alt Z zoom it. So to ABC and co vendor or supplier account. So this is become your confirmation of account. Total purchase was 15,000 and total it is credit and total debit is bank 10,000. So here closing balance is showing 5,000. So this is the confirmation of account. Next is two things you have to check while doing the bill-wise detail. Letter, outstanding reminder letter, confirmation of account, outstanding ledger, Alt P, backspace, print in reminder letter. Display more report, statement of account, outstanding, payables, ledger, select the party ledger, ABC, change the date, Alt P, backspace, correct, backspace means here, type of report, ledger outstanding, select reminder letter, change the date, accept, print reminder letter and check. So this is not showing the preview. Preview should show. Why the preview is not showing? Preview is not coming, but from here only you have to select your outstanding reminder letter. Okay, same step. This is the same step. Display more report. Display more report. Statement of account, outstanding ledger. Select the ledger. Alt P. Then space bar button, enable the reminding letter. Alt P, current you have to press. Here we can add one step, Alt P, Alt P. After Alt P, we can say CURRENT, current. This is your pending bill reminder letter. It will come there only. Backspace, or we can click on configure. Configure report type CONFIGURE configure. Then REPORT report EYP type report type enable print reminder letter. Report type enter enable reminder letter. Press type enter reminder letter and select it. Reminder letter. If you want to keep the periods, you keep the periods or else leave it. So this is the all about the e-invoice detail. If you have any question related to the e-invoice detail, please comment on the videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.